This is my Lakewood P-222 Box fan from the late 80s. Now, I had this fan long before I got my Victory Electric Breeze Spreader fan. I got this one from my grandparents in 2007 because my room gets very hot in the summer, so I just need some means of cooling my room down. We can't really afford an air conditioner, so all we have is fans. So I got this gem, and both they and I knew this fan was really old. I think they remember getting this fan in 1989, so even then they built fans really well. Now, briefly in 2010, this fan quit working, so I was worried that this fan just quit, But 20 years, that's still better than today's crap. But I just knew there's something funny. I checked all over the fan for defects, and the motor seemed just fine. But today I got a little idea. Well, what if I just replaced the cord? Maybe it might run. And so, what do you know? She runs now. She runs again. And it has 2 speeds, hence the name P-222, not P-223. It needs new grills, though. The new grills, they've seen a lot of action. They've seen better days, but fan runs very well for 22 years old. So I'll turn it on for you. Alright, here's high speed. Here is low speed. It is very quiet on low speed. So this fan is very, very healthy for its age, and it does throw out a good amount of air. Okay, in 2007 I got a little Lakewood box fan. Thing was a piece of junk, burned out in a month. So 22 years on this one, and it still runs. All it needed was a new cord. I'll show you my little cord job. Kind of shoddy, kind of shoddily done, but it works. Yeah, I know it's not really the safest, but it works. I just wanted to see if the fan worked. Okay, now I know some of you really like the startup sound on these old Lakewoods. So here you go, you're right behind the motor. My tripod won't cooperate though. Here's low speed. And now, here's high speed. Let me charge my camera. Here's high. They really don't make them like they used to.